Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable EV charging stations on your map display on Suzuki. So as you guys can see, I'm on Suzuki Evatera. Now here we have our navigation. And as you guys can see, here we have the charger. As you guys can see, it's going to work slow because there's just a lot of things here. But here we have our chargers. And if we simply want to go over and just get directions to one, if we want to display them on the map, what we can do here is we can go over and go to settings, go to navigation, and here go to map display. Now here we can scroll down, and here we will have our EV charging stations. You can also select quick charging only, but once we disable them, if we go back to our navigation, now there's no charging stations, no nothing. And of course, if we go back and enable it, we will see the charging stations. So we have to enable it back. That's what we can do here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.